Hi guys, welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. Imagine cruising down the coast, the wind in your hair, classic vibes in a futuristic ride. That's the 2025 Chevrolet Bel-Air, where retro design meets cutting-edge tech in one breathtaking package. Chevrolet has resurrected the Bel-Air with a bold reimagining that pays homage to the iconic 50s cruiser, while fully embracing the demands of today's drivers. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Bel-Air screams style. With chrome accents, a wide front grille, and tail fins subtly inspired by its legendary predecessors, it captures nostalgia without feeling dated. LED headlights blend seamlessly into the front fascia, giving it a modern edge. The body lines are sleek, aerodynamic, and designed to turn heads. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Under the hood, the Bel-Air isn't stuck in the past. Depending on the trim, you can get a fully electric powertrain with up to 450 horsepower and over 300 miles of range on a single charge. For those who love a bit of growl, there's a hybrid version with a turbocharged V6 that blends performance and efficiency. With adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive options, it handles like a dream on the road, smooth, responsive, and confident in every turn. Inside, the Bel-Air is just as impressive. The cabin is a blend of vintage charm and futuristic tech. Think two-tone leather seats, a retro-inspired steering wheel, and metal trim details, all wrapped around a digital dashboard and a massive 15-inch infotainment screen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated controls. And yes, there's a classic-looking analog clock placed front and center for that perfect touch of old-school class. Comfort is key in the Bel-Air, and Chevrolet didn't hold back. You've got ventilated and heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, customizable ambient lighting, and a 12-speaker Bose sound system that brings every note to life. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this car was built for the journey as much as the destination. Safety tech is another strong suit. The Bel-Air includes all the essentials: lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking. Plus, it offers GM's latest hands-free driving system, Super Cruise, available on select models. It's not just a pretty face, it's smart and safe, too. Chevrolet even introduced some personalization options. You can choose from several heritage-inspired color schemes, custom rim designs, and even retro badging packages that add that extra layer of nostalgia. It's a car you can truly make your own. In a market full of futuristic crossovers and generic sedans, the 2025 Bel-Air is a refreshing dose of individuality. It's a celebration of American automotive history, re-engineered for the modern driver. Whether you're a longtime Chevy fan or just someone who appreciates bold design and innovation, the Bel-Air is impossible to ignore. So if you're ready to stand out, relive the glory days, and embrace the future all at once, this might just be your dream ride. The legend is back, and it's better than ever.